All set up and we're ready. Okay. I think I unplugged my microphone. Okay, it's good. We all ready, y'all. Man, that's loud. It's in the red. It's nice and loud too. I can whisper. Let me turn that microphone down. Piano could be louder. I'll turn the piano all the way up. Turn up the compressor a little bit more too. I hear that it's going through the microphone. The keys are going through the microphone. I'm still taking the sound check on YouTube, y'all. That sounds nice. I'm happy with that. See what happens when I turn the piano up. Oh. Ooh. That hurt my ears. I'll turn down just a little bit. The key noise. That's good, man. I'm not going to mess with anything. I can't see if anybody's in the chat room. Can't even see my chat room. Here we go. No, oh, somebody did come in the chat. Oh, did they? Nope, that's Ice Mike. Ice Mike 1000. What's up? Are you producing today? I'm going to be practicing the piano today. He's probably gone now. Ice Mike probably been here for like a half an hour. I did just now noticing him. No, I'm going to be practicing piano. I'm going to be just practicing piano. It's way overdue. Need to clean these keys. I always tell people, if you play the piano, you have electric piano, wipe your keys all the way down the bottom, and then look at your fingers, see if there's dirt on it. All the way up to the high notes too. Wipe it, and then look at your fingers, see if there's dirt on it. Or can you feel the dirt? Wipe the high keys like this with your fingers and see if you can feel any grit. Where's my... Wipe this off. I'm good, y'all. When I come back, hit the thumbs up and the reminder or whatever, the bell, so you see when I'm coming live, because I'm gonna be practicing all day like I used to. Build myself back up where I could sit at the piano all day. I'm gonna run through my music books are in here, so they're right here. So I'm good, y'all. I'm gonna leave this rag in here. Cloth. Okay. That's a good sound. I'm nice and loud. Microphone's loud on this low computer. And let me see how I sound coming through. Whoop, turn it down. I'm good. I can practice my half dampening. I can explore some of these pianos in here. The Bosendorfer and different things. Bosendorfer Plus now. So I have new pianos. I have a CFX. That's a very expensive piano. I have my Imperial Plus. Oh, that's some aliases there. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with that. And I have my CFX2. That's a very expensive piano too. And I have my Hamburg Grand. That's a German Grand, I think. That's the one I always go to. And I have a live CF3. And they say that Nashville has a bunch of aliases in here. It has some faults. They said you can hear the defaults. Turn down the slap back. I don't want to slap, just a little slap back. Turn this all the way down though. A little teeny slap back. Reverb. And I have my, let's see here. Show you my highs, mids, and my, I'll turn off that delay for now. Well, that's reverb. And my lows. And I have my chorus on. I'm going to turn the compressor back on. I just have it down. Put it halfway. And I have my damper pedal resonance. I'll show you. I can hold down all these keys and you can. Well, that's not string resonance. It's damper resonance. Pedal down. See? Halfway. Okay. And then I have Nashville. That's Nashville. That's the one. Uh-oh. Clip in. Turn down a little bit. And then we have CFX3. That's an old one. And we have the C7. And we have digital. Have a digital piano, digital. I remember when the digital pianos first came out, they all sounded like harpsichords. Digital piano. What else we have? Did I go through all of them already? I think I did. Imperial Plus. I went through all of them. I didn't go through the uprights. Had three uprights. That's a felt. I didn't know I had a felt piano in here. Felt upright. I'm gonna go listen to this and get me some breakfast. Do my smoothie and listen to this. But everything's ready, y'all. Going to be practicing some serious piano, and I'm just going to use 3 scene changes: overhead, over shoulder, and then I use these 3 here, and that's it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and sign off. Let it go ahead, and I'm not even gonna let it play out. Yeah, I'm gonna let it play out, and then I'll sign off. Okay, I'm gone.